Before I started meditating, I was a person who never wanted to work as a team. I always sought out positions where I was the one who was taking the lead, or situations where I got the attention or the spotlight. I didn't much care for hearing what other people had to say. Because I truly felt that I was the one that had the answer, or my way, was it my way or the highway? And it wasn't until I started meditating and reflecting on specific topics, me finding faults in other people or undercutting others, that I recognized how much insecurity I carried inside. So in protecting my own pride, I would put myself in that position where I looked superior, I took control, or if I found something that I really felt that I was good at, I would never be open-minded to hear anyone else out. And also not giving other people to the opportunity to showcase their abilities either. After reflecting on those things and being put in those type of positions, if I'm working on a project with somebody, what are my skills, what are their skills, and we need to come together as a team. It's not a one-woman show, and other people have a lot of talent and a lot of skill. And not just that, working as a team is more fun, and there are a lot of creatives in the world, and I am not the best person who should be put up on a pedestal. So I really had the ability to break down my pride a little bit. And even now, that mind that I had of control and the insecurities, I was able to step away from situations. And so now I feel way more open and accepting to hearing other people's ideas and asking questions, or even asking for help. So yeah, it's become very freeing to not only recognize that, but then see it time and again in situations, and then being able to break free of that harness of control that I had.